So we work closely with EMA. They've come out for 10 weeks and have taught the class on how to do emergency management. And so this is the finale of the process. And so they get to actually put all their work into experience and show us how it's done.
Storm warning, there's ice on the roads. Weather conditions are 34 degrees. We have 4 inches of snow. Mason and Waynesville need plow drivers. They're requesting 2 additional ones. They have to be CDL certified. Butler and Hamilton they're not getting as much snow, so if need be, we could pull from there to see if they can give additional plows. Some schools and buildings have closed due to this. That's all I know at the moment.
And I-75, exit 36.
North and south of the Hill at Funnel Road, or Funnel Hill Road intersection. Vehicle and running around everywhere.
Can you please repeat the location?
They are working through an emergency operations center activation. It is a scenario that we are working through to help them kind of simulate what we would do in real life as the emergency management agency. We would bring in different partners, work through whatever situation's in front of us. In this situation, our scenario is a winter storm that hit the county, and they have to work through that whole process of meeting the needs of the county, clearing roads, handling school closures, anything that could pop up. They're killing it so far. This is our 3rd year doing it, and they're really rocking and rolling.
Okay, so this is what we have as of right now. We've had a power outage caused by a fire in Waynesville. Salt trucks will be arriving in Bunnell Hill in an hour. Our warming station has been set up at Urban Crest. There has been a total of 2 wrecks, and we have had 2 road closures. Any questions?